On this channel, you've seen me guys make a silver play button before, but you never see me make a golden play button before. This play button is given out to creators when they hit 1 million subscribers. Something I'm still yet to hit. So I decided that in this video, to make my own. Hey guys, it's me, the Ironn Kid, and welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your very own golden play button. I've done this before on the channel, but it was a silver play button. But why not make a golden? So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. And the materials are very simple. All you need is a glue stick, a pair of scissors, a ruler. I actually couldn't find my ruler, so I had to use this. It still works though. And a pencil. You guys already knew that. But for a golden play button, we're changing it up. You also need a golden crayon. Please don't try the marker. I made that mistake already. It was not a pretty sight. A white sheet of paper and 2 yellow sheets of paper. So the first step to do is you need to cut a square. So let's get started. But before we cut it, we actually need to trace. So you're gonna grab your pencil and your ruler or whatever you can, and you are gonna draw a quick square. So start the time lapse, please, editor. Alright, and now that we have that part completed, sorry for the mess that we made for the eraser, it is actually time to cut it. So let's do that right now. And boom, there it goes. Okay, now that step is done, I think it's time for us to work on our glue stick. So, let's do it. For those who have been on the channel, you've seen how we already done it. But this time, in order to make it look nice and make sure the glue doesn't go everywhere, you want to try to trace a line where your glue can't go past. It makes it much easier so when later on you can color in, something like that. So this is your job. Let's do a little smearing. And to make things go quicker so I don't bore you, another time lapse. Go. Alright, so now that our glue is all over the place, the next step, carefully place it. So you just want to be very careful about it. And make sure it's outlined correctly, make sure it sticks. I don't think it's that bad. Alright, and now once that step is done, the next step, to get your other yellow piece of paper, because we're going to do some more cuts. So what you want to do is cut a small triangle, and then we're just going to glue it on. So let's do that right now. So what you want to do is just cut a little triangle out. Until you get the one you want. So this looks like the one we want. And, well, of course, you just dab a little bit of glue on it. And boom, you have yourself a little triangle. And then you just take your little triangle and you're just going to pluck it up. We're almost done. It's time to draw. So you're just going to color in to the square that we got. Then we move on to the final step. So let's get started. So you're just going to take your piece and the crayon and color it in. If the crayon doesn't work, we might want to use a golden one. And yes, I'm aware on what I said earlier about it. Roll the clip. A golden crayon. Golden crayon. Just something I thought I should point out. But anyways, start the time lapse. Alright, now it is time for the last and final part of how to make a gold play button. If you guys don't know, every time a creator gets the golden play button, it has their name written on it. So I'm gonna say presented to the Ironn Kid for surpassing 1 million subscribers. Again, haven't hit the milestone yet. I would like to. So that's what we're gonna do. It is time for the final step to write. So we're gonna go through another time lapse and we're gonna see how the final product looks. Catch you guys when we're done. Alright, and we are officially finished. Alright, maybe the product doesn't look the best, guys, but I bet you could have done better. Of course, I could have put this here. I could have done a better job with the outline. You guys could have done a way better job than what I could. But hey, at least I showed you guys how you can make it on the materials you have at home. I mean, it is possible to make play buttons like this, as you can see, as a little comparison. But hey, at least we tried, right? Anyways, guys, that's gonna have to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, share it, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.